A very good day to everyone watching. Today, my group and I will be talking about copper as an electrical conductor. Thank you and enjoy the video.
Have you all ever wondered what is copper? How is it formed? And what is its function? So I am here today to help you to find out. Come on! Aha! Got it! So it says that copper is a chemical element. It is a soft, malleable and ductile metal with a very high thermal and electrical conductivity. It is a pinkish orange color and used for conducting heat and electricity. I'll be passing to George for a further explanation. Enjoy!
We are so used to them that we barely notice the electrical wires are all around us. They are in aerial and underground cables running along our streets and to our homes. They are behind our walls and inside of electrical appliances. Have you ever wondered what is behind electrical wires? Well, copper is worth more than a penny, but in today's global economy, it's actually worth a lot. For electrical vehicles, windmill farms, and even power grids itself, copper is an essential. Copper is critical to the electrification because it has the highest conductivity of any non-precious metal. That is important when trying to make electric cars windmill efficient, so electricity isn't lost in transit. For more than 10,000 years, copper has been a significant contributor to the world's advancement. Copper is one of the few metals that can occur in nature in direct usable metal. Thousands of years ago, it was one of the first metals to be smelted from sulfate ore. Copper is found across the Earth's surface, mainly as copper minerals or in mixed ores. About 70 million parts per copper were estimated to be found in the Earth's crust.
So how the copper extracted? Don't worry, let me explain it. So the first method is extracting copper from its ore, which is initial condition of the ore detected the method that is applied for copper extraction. For example, sulfate ores are transformed to copper by a different method than the ones from silicate, carbonate or sulfate ores. So the next one is extraction of copper from chalcopyrite, which is known as copper pyrites. Usually contain low percentage of copper, so they need to be concentrated by. For example, fluid flotation with a separation of hydrophobic material from hydrophilic one before refining. The last one is purification of copper. These copper metals are extracted from sulfate ore using the previous method, which is impure. Then the sulfur that remains in the extraction product is first treated. Finally, the impure copper is cast into anode for refining using electrolysis method.
Well, now that you already know what copper is, have you ever wondered why one of the characteristics of copper is a good electrical conductor compared to other metals? Here's why. To get an electrical current to flow through metals, the power source has to fight against resistivity, and since copper has a low level of resistivity, it is a good electrical conductor. Next, electrical connectors and wiring need to handle large loads of electricity at a time, but most metals that take on these loads don't bend easily. Copper, on the other hand, has the ideal level of thickness to handle household levels of electricity. Lastly, copper is less oxidative than other metals. Copper doesn't rust but will produce copper oxide. Unlike rust, however, this coating protects the metal from corroding without interfering with the conductivity. Thus, it is proven why copper is a good electrical conductor.
So, you have learned a lot about copper, right? Now, we just need to know the uses of this copper. Copper has been widely used in this industry. One of them is in the transportation sector. Let me explain it in detail. In the railway industry, the metal is used to manufacture many trim parts, including motor, brakes and controls, and can also be found in electric and signal system. In the automotive industry, copper is an essential component in brakes, bearings, connectors, motors, radiators, and wiring. Copper is really important in the transportation industry, as it is the best electrical conductor and has low level of resistivity. You want to know more about the uses of this copper wire? Let's go and find it out. Even in our daily life, copper has been used as cable in electrical appliances such as blenders and hairdryers. Apart from being a good conductor, copper is used because it is ductile and thermally resistant. This makes it acceptable for the manufacturing of electrical wire.
In conclusion, the widespread use of copper as an electrical conductor is deeply rooted in its remarkable conductivity properties. The low resistivity of copper, coupled with its excellent thermal conductivity, makes it an ideal material for transmitting electrical power with minimal losses and heat generation. The ability and ductility of copper further contributes to its versatility in various applications, allowing for the creation of intricate electrical components and wires. As a proven and enduring choice for electrical conductivity, copper has played a pivotal role in advancing technology from powering our homes to enabling reliability, cost-effectiveness, and efficient performance, underscores why copper continues to be a cornerstone in the field of electrical engineering, ensuring the seamless flow of electricity in a